how to use Meta AI to write letters in English. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app. And once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen, and you can also see there is three lines at the top left corner of this section. So just tap on that three line button, and once you tap on it, finally tap on the chat, and you simply need to give a prompt, and before that just write English. I mean, you can simply enter say in English and just go with your prompt in here, and yeah, you will be able to write letters in English in Meta AI app successfully. So basically, this is how and this is the process to write English letter in Meta AI app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.